Hello and welcome to our channel. Now we are going to know how these surface panels, usually on our offices, are installed. You find them maybe on most of the offices. Now, after taking the measurement, you drill for the temperature of the bracket of your panels. Then you take the driver, we prepare it, you do your joints. Make sure your joints are done well. As you can see, I'm doing there. I have to make sure it is good. Inserting some tapes, insulating tapes. Then take the bracket, and then I have to make sure I have mounted it firmly on the ceiling. Then the panel, that's the right, I put it there. Then I have to make sure it enters all the sides. It is firm. Now I put the head screws. The side screws are provided by the manufacturer. And then you have to make sure you're pressing your right up so that it might be firm. Then come check. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.